What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hunters Creek Outdoors. Today we are gonna bust out the boat. I don't know what day it is, maybe April 15th or so, give or take. Yeah, we're gonna bust out the boat today. We're gonna head down to Chautauqua Lake. We're gonna try to get on a crappie bite. Obviously we'll take some perch if we get those too. Water temperature's probably around 50, I guess, in the southern end, so we're hoping that we can get on a good bite. Weather's going to be a little dicey. We're going to be dodging some raindrops. It is going to be a little bit breezy, so hopefully it won't be too bad. But before we do anything, we got to stop and get some bait, so we're going to visit our buddies over at Captain Bob's, grab some shiners, and we'll get to the water. We'll see you there.
Those got crayfish.
I'll take 3 dozen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give me 1 second.
Yeah, no
Just
problem.
leave the bucket there. Yep.
Have a good one, guys.
You too. Yeah.
Thank you. All right. We got baits. Not what we wanted, but it is what it is. Let's go. Thank you, Alumacraft, for a big casting deck for Jay's big body. Barks. What do we say about the rules? You're supposed to say you got a fish on, you get a fish on.
He went like this. It's like a slate fish.
He's like, boys, look at. I told you we're marking a whole bunch of little fish in here. There's fish in here.
Did you feel it? How did it go? Pop the thing out.
It's got so tight. Catching that big one if we could get on the lake, isn't it?
I need them.
Oh well, dude. Guess what? I need 2. I got a two setter.
What am I, the guy? Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Carter, perchy perch. Two for the master, 0 for everybody else.
How is this happening?
Oh yeah, you still got your middle too. How good is that?
Oh!
Just miss them?
Yeah, I just got clobbered. I said it so hard, I almost hit myself in the face with the...
Yep.
Oh, yep.
Perchy perch.
It's actually a decent perch for down here.
Yeah.
Still got my bait. See you, buddy. dirty bastard. Yep. I still got my bait though. Oh, look at
He
this.
hit it, they come right out of the water.
Trenty's on too.
That's actually a pretty good one too.
Yeah, that is a pretty good one.
It's jizzing.
Carter's just hit the deck. Great. There's a nice edit gonna have to be done. Dude, it's like I didn't even have to get it down there. Look and see if I got numbers or no. I turned it off right when I cast it.
You got numbers, yeah.
Is there numbers on it?
Yeah, you got
This is actually a decent perch.
Perch too?
That's a good, nice one actually. Like if I was ice fishing down here, I probably would keep this one. Just because it's fat.
Go on the ice.
But it's your lucky day, broski, for not doing that. See ya. Can you hook that thing on?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so I guess it's gonna be a perch slam session here.
Perch fest.
Yeah. Perch fest it. You're gonna have to talk to our expert perch fisherman.
Do I gotta go with subtitle right there? Oh, Bray got one. Oh shit. First?
Look at that.
Shit. With the, and you didn't put, did you put worm on it or no? There you go.
Just on plastic tube
It's on
jig?
that little tiny little tube jig.
Nice. Well, there we go. We're all in.
I got 20 bucks whoever catches the first crappie.
Oh, all right, let's do it. Hey, yeah, I mean, I thought it was going to be good. Thought maybe I had that $20 crappie. Instead, I had a maybe a 6-inch perch. What the heck is this? Real?
That's the thing. That wasn't my line.
What the heck, dude?
I get 20 bucks for myself!
Holy shit, dude. Are you freaking kidding me right now?
No! Dude, where there's one, there's more. We're gonna go right next.
That bit my line and I didn't think it was anything. I gotta.
Oh my god, dude.
That bit my line and I missed it and I just thought it was like weeds.
Dude, he smoked it.
Dude, that thing is huge. We gotta get a measurement on this thing.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, that's
Guess where it's going?
like 15 inches.
Oh, dude, put the plug in there. Yeah, put the plug in. I get a picture of this.
Yeah.
What's second place prize?
Dude, look at the size of it.
Dude, that's the biggest crappie I've ever seen. Like, dude, that thing is giant.
Can you
I marked it, but we just got to go up back through there again and just. Dude, I was throwing it out and I was putting out a whole bunch of line, and I was just lifting it and just letting it drag through the freaking weeds. Just freaking smoked that thing. How big you think he is?
I bet you, throw it up here again. I bet you it's 14. Oh, it's all 14.
14 and 3/4.
14 and 3/4. What the freak, dude? That,
Open that thing up, Trenny.
that's a tank.
And I also like my line and then I like lost it and I didn't think anything else.
You gonna hit two there?
Yeah, it was that
Yeah.
one too.
There's probably a few of them.
There was probably a bunch of them there.
Schooled up. Let's get back in there. Find it. Mr. Perchy Perch. No crappie. Got it on the old Euro tackle, whatever that thing's called, leech.
That's what I was feeling. I was feeling the weeds, and all of a sudden it was just a solid. Oh! I was like, well, that's a fish.
I looked over here, the thing was bent right over. I was like, you're like, I got something big.
Walleye.
That's what I thought. I figured it was going to be a walleye. Oh man, that's a good perch right there.
That's getting good.
Yeah, that's a definite keeper right there.
Yeah, that's a great perch. Same thing.
Yeah, no,
That's all we're doing. That's probably the best thing to do. Just let the wind push us and we'll just drip fish it.
How cold that wind got. I mean, it was instantaneous. 6-7 degree difference, like. Yep. This feels good, whatever this is. Dude, this feels good, whatever it is. Oh yeah, it's a good That's what I'm talking about right there, fellas.
Dude, you're right in the fish spot.
Watch out, buddy. Stand up for a second. We gotta measure this thing. Make sure.
Oh, that's a keeper. There's no doubt that's a keeper.
Oh yeah,
That's a keeper.
That's definitely my best crappie.
right in the roof, right where you're supposed to get them. Who's gonna take a picture for me? Somebody. On the Euro tackle leech.
Just don't drop it. That's a good. It's definitely 10.
I don't measure to be sure.
It's definitely 10.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
13.
Yeah. Oh man.
Sweet. Oh, my camera is on. Is there numbers on the front? Woo. All right. It's a muskie.
Dude, it's a muskie.
It's a muskie.
No way. Yeah, it is. No
Dude,
way.
it's a muskie.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, no!
I was just getting ready to
No! No! Oh, no!
Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no.
Oh, no. We saw it, though. I mean,
Yeah, we saw it. You had it.
it was probably,
Guess you're
I would say it's
retying
probably
now.
24, 25 incher.
No, it came out of its
Oh,
mouth.
just,
I
oh,
thought it broke off.
I thought it broke
I
too.
thought it broke.
Oh, no. Oh, dude, that was badass.
That was a nice
That was a
fish,
freaking sweet looking fish.
I didn't even lose tension. I didn't even.
No, just pulled. Live, and that was live bait.
I want a fucking muskie.
Didn't you just say you wanted to catch a muskie? How do I catch a muskie?
Yeah.
There you go, man. Solve that mystery real quick.
As soon as he said that hook, and I see the rod.
I see the rod bend over.
I'm like, oh shit, that's big.
I grabbed my. I turned this on, didn't I?
Yeah. It's
God, I hope I got some of it because I was looking at it. I looked over and I saw the rod just loaded. I was like, oh, that's a good fish, whatever it is. And that's right about that time is when you said.
down it now. Into the
Yeah.
water. Oh my gosh!
Oh, look
Wrong
at this!
fucking spot. Oh, we caught that?
Right where we were.
Here we go. Listen, you are gonna catch the mango of mango fish. Got him? That's the biggest one in there. He's
Make
got
sure
the
you-
big mango.
Make sure.
Yeah, put that window on.
I'm gonna mess
Here,
it up.
this is why you always having problems right here.
Oh.
Ah!
I hate to ask this, but
Oh my freaking
Hook this fish
I
way
just
up
caught a
in here.
fish.
All right, there you go. Well, guys, I think we're gonna end this video right here. Got 2 nice crappies today. Had a nice muskie at the boat. Almost had it. Even though it's out of season, we would have took a picture quick and put it right back in. But yeah, not a bad night. Battery's almost dead in the GoPro. We're gonna fish here for another 45 minutes. If we do get something, I'm gonna hit record and hopefully it's there. If it's not, it is what it is. All right, let's give it a whirl. Burning daylight. Take a couple more casts. Thanks for watching, guys. We will catch you on the next one.